let us start our server. Python manage.py run server. I have to edit this from a T to a Y, and then let us visit this URL and then go to /API/docs, and we shall see this has been generated for us automatically by Django Ninja. And so if you look, for example, at this, you'll see that for create product, no parameter is required. We have a required request body that requires you to have a name, description, price, and stock. We have an example response and the code that is returned when everything is okay or successful. And similarly, we have the same for other endpoints. If you want to change to redoc, you go back to your code, and then we say from Ninja import redoc. So I'll put this on the next line just for it to be clearer, and then we can say docs equals to redoc, like that. And if we go back to the browser and I refresh, you see we have the same thing, but now in the redoc standard. Okay, and of course you can make changes. So let me go back to I will undo this, okay, and show you that you can actually change the title. Go back, refresh, we are back to Swagger, and then I can say title equals to ecommerce API. Okay, come here, refresh, you see ecommerce API. I can then go back here and also add something like the description. Okay, description equals to very fast API. Save, go back, refresh, you see a very fast API. Of course, this does not make sense, but you get it. This is just to illustrate you and to show you what you're supposed to do. And of course, you can create a custom docs viewer. This is now the official documentation. You can resolve the docs URL. You can extend open API spec with custom attributes like you saw me doing the title description, but you can add some things like the terms of service using a dictionary called API Open API Extra. Okay, and then of course you can protect documentation. You can hide your docs and make them to display in a non-interactive way. So I hope you've got something from this.